In this session, we will be learning a conversion of a single image from a day shot, which is shot at day, and we'll be turning that to night. So, as you know, visual effects can do magic. So, if you can see here, this is the image, single image, what I have got. So, what we'll be doing is we'll be actually replacing the sky over here. We'll be turning this down to a night scene, and we'll be also adding some bluish tint over here in order to get that night scene, as we are entirely converting this shot, this single image, to actually night shot over here. And also we'll be adding some motion which will actually look like this was a film. So just drag and drop this right up here. Or actually what you can do is you can take a new composition with 960 540 over here, and then you can place this up here, and then you can alt control and F. So this is what we get. Now going over here, what I'll be doing is I'll be selecting this. Then I'll be taking actually, let me try out with Luma first if I'm able to key out my sky. I'll say key out brighter. I'm somewhat getting a nice thing over here, but these areas needs to be preserved. Yeah, something like this. Edge feather to maybe 1. So I've actually eliminated or removed my sky here. As you can see, there are some issues over here. This area it is capturing. So what I would suggest is quickly I'll go here and I'll just, as this is just a single one frame, I'll go to my pen tool and I'll just mask this out over here. It's actually taking some time, so it's actually a tedious process. Actually, there are many brighter areas in this footage down, so that's why Luma is not able to work properly. Yeah, so we are almost there. Just selecting this tree right here. And I'll just invert this, or maybe I'll just mask this up.